4. The question is, the following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature for each day of a week. Okay, so forecast temperature is given like this, dot dot dot, and actual with a complete black line like this. Okay, now some questions we have to give the answer. First part, on which days was the forecast temperature was the same as actual temperature? कौन कौन से डेज पे जो फोरकास्ट टेम्परेचर है वो एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर की क्या है, इक्वल. सो जस्ट चेक द ग्राफ्स. one this point, after that this point, and one more this one. So days are asking days. So check करो कौन कौन से days हैं. one this one. So days on x axis, first day is Tuesday, after that this day Friday, and at last this one is the Sunday. So first part is, the forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature on Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Clear? Now B part is, what was the forecast temperature during the week? During the maximum forecast temperature during the week. Maximum forecast temperature देखो with dot 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 line. Okay, so highest maximum dot dot line is here. Okay, so this is the actual maximum temperature, and if you check on y axis, what is the value of this? Value is 35. So the answer is 35 degree Celsius. Okay, so B part, the maximum forecast temperature during the week is 35 degree Celsius. Now the C part is, what was the minimum actual temperature during the week? So minimum actual temperature during the week, देखो minimum कौन सा है, this one, this line is minimum, so the temperature is 15. So just write the answer. Minimum actual temperature was 15 degree Celsius. This is your answer of third part. Now the fourth part is, on which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? देखो दोनों में डिफरेंस कब सबसे ज़्यादा है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो चेक करो ऑन मंडे. यहाँ ऑब्जर्व बाय ग्राफ, देखो दोनों के बीच में गैप काफ़ी कम है, सो दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. यहाँ तो दोनों में सेम है. ऑन वेडनेसडे देखो थोड़ा सा गैप है. ऑन थर्सडे चेक करो, ऑन थर्सडे एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर एंड दिस इज द फोरकास्ट टेम्परेचर, सो गैप है. फ्राइडे को सेम है, सैटरडे मिनिमम है एंड संडे मिनिमम है. सो ऑन विच डे द एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर डिफर द मोस्ट? सो द आंसर इज थर्सडे. द आंसर इज थर्सडे. ओके, so just write down the answer. The actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature was on Thursday. This is your answer. Just by observing the graph you can check. The gap between them is most na, so this is your answer on Thursday. This is the line of actual temperature and this is the line of dot 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 line of forecast temperature. So gap between them is most on Thursday. So this is your answer. Clear? Now move to the fifth part. Thank you.